how to deal with the problem. The veneer, two sides and middle, the thickness not same. First, when you choose the veneer peeling machine, you must choose the knife table strong enough. We use 30mm iron plate and hot treatment. Make this part strong enough. Also, the knife holder needs more than 5 pieces, so can easily adjust the pressure for the knife. When you use the veneer peeling machine, you can put some oil on the knife table and polish, small polish, and make sure no rust on it. Also, the back side of the knife, you can put some oil and small grinding, no rust. If small rust in it will affect the thickness also. Also, when you grind the knife, must make sure the knife, the top, in one line, straight enough. When you make sure those parts, and then adjust the knife height and knife gap. If you have any problems in using a spindleless veneer peeling machine, you can connect with me. I'm very happy to help you.